everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And I'm not gonna fool you because I already opened this, but this is the M90 Bluetooth speaker by BUGANI. And it says it has a 30-watt powerful, rich sound. And it's got different settings there, I guess, odd stuff, and I don't know. Here you go, if you really want to see what this other side of the box looks like. And so here we go. I'm gonna retake it out of the box. I really didn't get to set anything up, but when I tried it earlier, it was out of batteries. So I charged it a little bit. So hopefully we have enough. So I'm gonna try to set this up here on my iPad. And we'll go to, what is it, settings? Where? Bluetooth. I don't know where everything is. Bluetooth. Okay, so there's the Bluetooth and there. So it beeps, and then we'll see when it shows up on here. Yep, and there it says, oh, did it go? Did not connect yet. BUGANI M90. So we're gonna connect to that one. That is what this is. And I heard the beep, so we are connected. So now, what was I looking at? I think I was looking at playing stuff royalty-free, no copyright music in YouTube. So this is so we can play stuff. And hopefully they won't be deleting my thing. But here we go, let's look at this thing here. You can see it's BUGANI. The power button, lower the volume, raise the volume, pause. And then on the back, this is where I had charged it. You see it's got a port here for, I can't see. Oh, that's a 3.5mm port, so if you want to connect it up to another device, an MP3 player or something like that. We have also got a little SD card slot if you want to have your music stored on that. And then we have the charging one, which is micro SD. So I do have another BUGANI Bluetooth speaker, and that one charges by USB-C. So this one here is still the other technology. Funny, but it's fine. I mean, it still works. Probably doesn't need to charge as fast or anything. So this is the 3.5mm cord. And then here, we can see is the cord for the micro USB to USB. So let's play some. Oh, and here we go.
But did you know we also put that and that and that?
I'm gonna skip the ads. I don't think the ads are very good quality. Okay, so here is a song. You hear that? It's actually pretty good. I hear the bass on that. I guess it's coming out of here. Oh, when I touch it, it vibrates. But that's that. Let's see how loud we can get. Oh, I guess when you. Waking up all my neighbors at 9 o'clock at night. So let's not do that anymore. But you can see this is what it looks like here. It looks pretty cool. There's the speakers, there's the bass speaker, and then here's the bottom, what it looks like here. It's got some of these rubber pads, so if you have it on something, it won't slide around too much. Seems pretty good. I kind of like it. It's got a good feel to it. It's not super plasticky. You see, it's like a matte finish. I don't know if the sound is I'm gonna turn it off. I don't know if the sound makes it so you can't hear me, but it's got a kind of a matte finish and a soft feel to it. It's pretty cool. And it's a nice little speaker, so you can carry it around with you and take it places. It's a good size, and it got really loud. I wouldn't say this is the loudest speaker, but if you're doing it in a small backyard or something, you're probably gonna be fine. If you're going into a bigger backyard, you're probably gonna want to get like the BUGANI Shock speaker, which is just a little bit bigger, which is also waterproof and does some more stuff too. But this one here is kind of cool. It's a good, medium-ish speaker. It sounds really good, and for the price, it was great. It was on sale. Who knows what it is now, but you can see here, it's got the little rubber cover over it, so I guess that kind of makes it somewhat waterproof-ish. Let's see if there's anything I'm missing here on any of the controls. No, it just says charge it before you use it, which is what I needed to do. And then pairing it, you saw, was super easy. You basically turn it on when you hear the beep, just start pairing, and you just pair it on your device and it just connects, so super easy. And it was called the M90, which is what it is here, so really easy to find. Just says to maintain the device, make sure you turn it off when you're done, and don't do it too hot. You can don't want to be sitting there and playing it with it in an oven. But it's a really cool little speaker here. I like this one. It's super easy to carry around. So I would say I'm giving this thing a thumbs up. It's not the highest end speaker in the world. If you're looking for something super high, you're gonna probably pay hundreds of dollars instead of less than 100. But this is a really good one. So like I said, thumbs up from me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. I'll try to also put a link in one of the comments because I know sometimes the description just doesn't show up. But I like it. So this is what it looks like here. You can see it's really nice looking. I like the color here. Pretty cool. So thumbs up, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.